Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best hunting cushion is probably one of the most underrated pieces of gear for any hunter. Spending hours in a tree stand or ground blind can be tough on your body, but a good hunting cushion can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top hunting cushions on the market, helping you find the perfect one to keep you comfortable and focused on your next hunt. Number 5. Therma-SEAT Infusion Hunting Seat Cushion. This cushion is designed with a 3-layer construction to keep you comfortable in the field. It helps you stay warm and dry, allowing you to hunt longer and enjoy your time outdoors. The 3/8-inch layer of soft-tech closed-cell foam provides a thermal barrier. This feature helps to retain heat, keeping you warm even in cold conditions. It features 1 5/8 inches of premium, furniture-grade urethane Comfortech foam. This layer offers incredible comfort, allowing you to sit for hours without discomfort. A 1-inch layer of rigid, closed-cell foam protects you from the cold and wet ground. This provides an additional layer of insulation and comfort. The cushion is covered with waterproof, polyurethane-coated fabric called Silent Touch. This adds another layer of protection and remains flexible even in freezing temperatures. What we like. This cushion has a 3-layer design to keep you warm and dry all day long. It also features a freeze-proof fabric that won't get hard in sub-zero temperatures. If you are looking for a cushion that can withstand the harshest conditions, you should consider this one. What people say. The cushion is lightweight and easy to carry. It provides excellent comfort for extended periods of sitting. The durable material is resistant to wear and tear. Number 4. Therma-SEAT Self-Supporting Hunting Seat Cushion. This cushion is made with 100% rubber and proudly made in the USA. It's designed to provide a comfortable seating experience wherever you go, with or without a tree to lean on. The Therma-SEAT combines a comfortable cushion with an adjustable backrest. This allows you to sit comfortably anywhere, providing support and relaxation during your outdoor activities. The cushion features a 3-layer design, including a thermal layer, a comfort layer, and an earth barrier. It also has a waterproof coating, ensuring durability and protection from the elements. It comes with detachable and adjustable side release buckles. This allows you to customize the fit for maximum comfort and security. The cushion is built with military-grade hardware, webbing, and a rubber-coated non-slip base. This ensures it's durable and provides stability on various surfaces. What we like. This cushion combines comfort and support with an adjustable backrest. It allows you to sit comfortably anywhere, with or without a tree to lean on. If you are looking for a cushion that provides excellent back support and can be used in various environments, you should consider this one. What people say. It is very comfortable and I love the supporting backrest. The seat cushion is very thick and I sat for 6 hours straight hunting and was very comfortable. Great product. The seat is a great size and lightweight, so easy to carry to your hunting spot. Number 3. Therma-SEAT Heat-A-Seat Hunting Cushion. This cushion uses Insulsoft insulation, which reflects and retains your body heat. It keeps you warm all day without any batteries or chemicals. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for long days outdoors. The excellent insulation keeps you comfortable wherever you go. Designed with quiet materials, this cushion minimizes noise. It's ideal for hunting and other activities where silence is key. The cushion is waterproof and easy to clean, preventing musty odors. This ensures it stays fresh and ready for your next adventure. Made in the USA from premium materials, this cushion is built to last. It's designed for long-lasting performance, even in tough conditions. This cushion balances comfort and portability for maximum convenience. It's designed to make your outdoor experience as enjoyable as possible. What we like. This cushion uses Insulsoft insulation to reflect and retain body heat without batteries or chemicals. It is also lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for long days outdoors. If you like a cushion that keeps you warm and is easy to carry, you should consider this one. What people say. This well-padded seat cushion is silent in the woods and doesn't make noise like the ones made of packing peanuts in the past. It's very comfortable to sit on and has a durable-looking side which seems like it will not rip or tear easily. The combination was excellent, very warm and comfortable. Number 2. Therma-SEAT Treestand Hunter Folding Seat Cushion. This is the Therma-SEAT Treestand Hunter Folding Seat Cushion. It's designed for comfort and convenience while you're in the tree stand. This seat cushion will make your hunting experience much better. Featuring soft-tech closed-cell foam construction, it provides excellent support. The material is designed to keep you comfortable, even during long sits. The silent touch fabric is soft and quiet. It helps you stay undetected by game. This feature ensures a stealthy and successful hunt. With the quick snap easy carry system, it's simple to transport. This makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. The 60-inch adjustable strap wraps around the tree. It holds the seat back in an upright position. This provides stability and ease of use. It's lightweight, durable, and waterproof. This seat cushion is built to withstand the elements. It's a reliable choice for any hunting trip. What we like. This cushion features a quick snap carry system for easy transport and an adjustable strap to secure it to a tree. It is lightweight, durable, and waterproof. If you are looking for a cushion that is easy to carry and set up, you should consider this one. What people say. The seat is very comfortable for long sits. The locking strap works well not only for holding the backrest up but for transporting as well. Thick very high density foam, did not go flat and was comfortable all day, backside did not go numb and no squirming. Number 1. Therma-SEAT Traditional Series Hunting Seat Cushion. This cushion is a must-have for anyone who enjoys the outdoors. It's perfect for hunting, camping, or fishing, providing comfort wherever you go. This seat is lightweight and easy to carry. It's also durable and waterproof, so it can withstand various weather conditions. The cushion is made with soft-tech closed-cell foam, which won't absorb moisture. This keeps you warm and comfortable even in cold weather. Whether you're on wet ground, a tree stump, or a metal seat, this cushion provides a comfortable barrier. It ensures a pleasant experience in any outdoor setting. It comes with Velcro straps for easy attachment and transport. This makes it simple to secure and carry with you wherever you need it. What we like. This cushion is lightweight, durable, and waterproof, making it a must-have for outdoor activities. It won't absorb moisture and stays pliable in cold weather, ensuring warmth and comfort in any condition. If you like a cushion that is easy to carry and use in any weather, you should consider this one. What people say. Keeps me dry and is fairly quiet when walking. These do a great job of being a warm barrier on cold rink seats. Got these for my aluminum boat seats in the spring that arrived very quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.